Welcome back to my channel. My name is Edna Myra and I'm so happy that you are here. Thank you so much for the support that you've been showing me in this channel. In this channel, we love visitors. Karibuni child. At about now, we're about to hit 2,000 subscribers. Hey! And I'm so happy that you're part of this family. If you're new, Karibuni, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification and kindly leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching me from. I'll be glad to get in touch with you. If you're a returning subscriber, asante sana for always consuming my content. I do not take it for granted. Today, I'm going to be making a quick fix lunch for my family, and I thought, why not bring you guys along? So I'll be making some fried vegetables and some turmeric rice. So karibuni, let's get cooking. On the saucepan for vegetable rice, we're going to add in our onion. If you're tired and just want to do a quick meal, to add in some garlic. Then here we'll also add in a bit of garlic. Stir in your garlic until it's slightly golden brown, like so. Make sure your garlic does not become too brown or burnt. So at this stage, you can see some of the garlic is already turning. Yeah, like that. Once it's golden brown, add your rice. I'll use 1.5. Don't cook so much rice. Like that. Stir. Ready here, they're golden brown. So we want to add in our tomatoes. Add in your carrots, courgettes, eggplants. And stir. Then allow them to cook together with the tomatoes. Turmeric powder, just a bit. Turmeric to your taste, depending on how deep you want the color to be. So I don't want mine to be too yellow. So I've just added just a bit of turmeric. So these are 3 cups of water. And at this point, I will add salt to both my rice and my vegetable. And I will also add some here. Remember, we put in our tomatoes, carrots, courgettes, eggplant at this point, and we just want them to soak in all the good juices. We've also put in our salt and we just want all the vegetables to cook. Now I have some, what is this? This is broccoli. I have some broccoli here, but I haven't added them in because I've already blanched them. So these ones are ready, as well as some peas. These are some peas that we have here. I've also not put them in because I've already boiled them. So we'll just add that on later. Our rice is doing okay. We just want it to boil before we cover it and let it simmer. So at this point, I want to add my spices. And because I'm doing it for children, I will add very little spices. So I'll just do some paprika and black pepper. I'm going to add about a teaspoon, not so much. So of paprika and black pepper, just a bit. So we're going to stir that in. And we allow the vegetables to get. What are some of your quick fix food that you love doing? I love doing rice and mixed vegetables because it's easy and it's a no-brainer. You know, it's just like dump everything in and, you know, let it all cook. I also love doing spaghetti. Would you want me to do for you a recipe of spaghetti quick fix? Kindly let me know. At this point, we want to add our bell peppers. In our broccoli, I'm adding in some water, just a bit. Wow, look at that, guys. This is why I love mixed vegetables. Look at all those colors. We are going to put in our danias. Just take. We are done. We'll switch it off. Our meal is ready. Our vegetable rice. So I want to unveil the rice with you before we serve. Look at our rice, guys. Look at our rice. Look at that. Look at how it has turned out. Oh. Look at that. So we're going to serve our rice. I want you to. With our vegetable stew. Look at that, guys. Amazing. I had made some minced meat earlier on, so I'll just take a bit. Just a bit. Our main focus today is the vegetable and the rice. Guys, here is our vegetable mixed fry, stir fry. And our rice, guys. I love how yellow our rice is, not so yellow. And of course, now for the test. It's amazing. Quick fix, guys. Chop chop and your meal is done. Look at how good our rice is. You will definitely amaze your family with this simple quick fix meal, which is our turmeric rice, our stir-fried vegetables. If you want to add some meat, go ahead, do it. But for me, the stir-fried vegetables and the rice is a perfect balanced diet because it has your proteins, you have your carbohydrates, your vitamins, all that is inside. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying in as we've made this quick fix meal. Thank you for those who are always supporting me by sending me through my PayPal and just donating towards different projects that are on PayPal. Thank you so much. I do not take it for granted. Together we are doing amazing things, touching one life at a time. I really enjoy it when you're watching. Kindly leave a comment. Let me know where you're from. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this video to many mommies and people who just want to make good meals and quick fixes. And I'll see you in the next video. Adios amigos!